Hello guys, tomorrow Friday, so it is leave for Chittagong Medical College. So we are gonna go for somewhere Pothenga. It's like a sea beach. So we gonna enjoy with these guys, with these three guys. So we gonna have a bike ride. So see you in Pothenga. We're gonna go. Let's cheer up, guys.
बंधन के मुटियारा आईया पटोला बनके कन्ना दे विच पिपल पत्तियां पाही चूड़ा खनके बंधन के मुटियारा आईया पटोला बनके कन्ना दे विच पिपल पत्तियां पाही चूड़ा खनके मेरे सोहणिया सोहणिया वे माही मेरा किथे नहीं ओ दिल लगना तेरे सोहणिया माही मेरा किथे नहीं हो दिल लगना तेरा इंतजार है कहाँ करार है तेरी आस ही दिल को हमें शुमार है So baby pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Write that tattoo on your shoulder, pull the sheets right off the corner.
Yes, we came at night time. It's so beautiful place and so calm. See this, guys. And this is a place very good, very nice. See. So tomorrow we holiday. Today we are just night enjoying. This is the place. What is this name?
Pothenga.
Pothenga. Pothenga Sea Beach. So we're gonna enjoy this today night. Let's go front and I will show you lots of places. I am really hungry because I didn't have my dinner. I need something to eat here. My friend said there are lots of seafoods here and we can have it. Let's see what we can eat. Just I'm going to these shops and everything. Let's see. Acha, I came here to see some dinner. Okay. Eta ki bhai? Kural mas. Kural mas. Sajid, Same, what is Kural mas? Kural is Kural mas. I don't know. They're giving sauce and these things. Or কি আছে বে?
Kural maছ, rukshada, চিংড়ি, সুরমা মাছ,
Or fishes.
ট্যাংরা মাছ আছে, কাঁকড়া ফ্রাই আছে, কাঁকড়া কাটি আছে।
This is crabs. Oh, they're gonna give something. I wanna eat chicken tikka because I don't wanna take risk to eat these crabs and I don't know about it. So I don't think it will be fresh. So I will try some chicken and paratha because I didn't have my dinner. So yeah, this is a food. So I'm gonna eat. So chicken tikka and onion. This is, what is this name? Cucumber, right? Cucumber and sauce. 2 parathas, 190 taka. 190 taka mean $1.5. Next we came here to eat some pani puri. This small kid is making some pani puri. Yes. তুমি কি ইংলিশ পারি? ইংলিশ পারি? No, he don't know English, right? So কত টাকা?
30 টাকা।
30 টাকা। তা 30 টাকা 5 pani puri, yes. See the beauty. He is doing his business and this is pani puri. Okay, we're gonna eat this and let me. Yes. Ah. This is. I wanna taste it. Superb tasty. It's exactly tasty.
Thank you.
Yes, it's exactly tasty. So this small guy made it, and so gonna have something like one more. Sweet and spicy mixed tasty. Oh, some sauce they mix it sauce very tasty, very much tasty. So my friends took chana chul. This one is this one. Okay, give to me. I will just taste it. Spicy and they mix lemon. It is something else. My pani puri taste is gone from my mouth. Another friend took jalmuri. I'm gonna taste that one also. Give me little. Little, not that much. Little, very little. Already I ate chana chol. So this is jalmuri, though I'm gonna try it. It is puff rice. It's okay. I didn't feel anything different. But chana chol is so spicy. No, I need to drink some cold drinks or something because it's very spicy. It killed my tongue. That chana chol is very spicy.